Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to get emojis in Outlook. So let's started. At first open your Outlook document. Get emojis is the click is going to the insert menu option and click for the emoji option. Then NSS image and more emojis option. Then NSS image. Then click. Then we show the get emojis in Outlook. This emojis is only emoji select is going to the home menu option. Then click for size option. Then I show the get emojis in Outlook. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.